If you need to scan a book with a large cover, such as a thread-locked binding book or a hardcover book, a large cover may hinder the software from recognizing the outlines of pages. To fix this, you can use our assistive covers to cover excess cover parts to improve the accuracy of software identification. You need to buy separately. Turn over the front cover and snap the right angle of one assistive cover to the top left. Then turn over the back cover and snap the right angle of another assistive cover to the bottom right. Open the magnetic buckle on the upper left and lower right, and stick the Velcro slightly to the buckle to tighten it slightly. At this time, the overcovered part and the thread-mounted part will be covered by the assistive cover, preventing it from affecting page outline recognition. If you need to adjust the assistive cover during scanning, you can repeat the above steps. Note that this set of assistive cover will only be used when scanning thread-locked books or hardcover books. For books with normal binding, if the cover has no effect on the outline of the page, there is no need to use the assistive cover.